Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. Today I am doing a foot mask. Yes, I said that right, a foot mask. I'm gonna put it on Eric tonight, show you what it looks like on his feet. He's actually gonna sleep overnight with it on. I'm gonna do it tonight, but I'm gonna follow the directions, and the directions actually say to remove it after 10 minutes. So I'm actually gonna leave it on for like 20 minutes. But I'm gonna show you what my feet look like after 20 minutes, how they feel. And I'm gonna show you Eric's feet, because Eric's feet have a lot of texture. They have he has the cracked heels, the rough skin. Of course, he works like 60 hours a week for the last 21 years. So he is always walking on his feet, and his feet get very, very dry and cracked. So I'm hoping, cross my fingers, that this does a big difference in his feet. But I'm going to show you guys mine and see if this is worth your money or not. It's sandal season, and we all want to see our feet looking really pretty. So let's go ahead and just open it up really quick and show you what it looks like. It looks like a big diaper. Comes like this. You see, it's huge. It looks like a stingray. Stingray! Anyways, you cut it in half, and that is what you slide your foot into. So let me put my foot in it. So my feet, they have a little bit of dry skin. I get more dry skin right here. I know total, this looks so funny on me putting my foot in the camera. But you guys can see, just I think like average dry skin that most people get. But I'm gonna show you guys Eric, and he gets a lot. So let's see here. You open it up, and I think stick your foot in it. Charlie horse. Wait. You stick your foot in it like that, and then this little part is the tape on it. So you take it off, and you just buckle it on the other side. I need to stretch before I do these videos. So let's do the other one. So it's on. Oops. You remove the tape, and then you just buckle it down like that so it's around the ankle. So it doesn't feel like super wet inside, honestly. It just feels like maybe there's like a damp cloth on my feet. So I'm going to show you guys Eric right now, and then at the end of the video I will take these off and show you my feet and give you my opinion. The nice thing is that, see, you guys can see you can walk around in them and it's fine. It actually feels more wet as you walk around. Okay guys, that's Eric in bed. He's in bed under the covers in his pajamas watching TV, and we're gonna show you his feet. You guys can see his heels, like I was saying, are super dry. This one too is not as bad, but you can see the dryness, especially on this foot. You guys can see all the cracking on the bottom here. So let's go ahead and put this on his feet. It's tied around the ankle, it won't come off. How does it feel? Does it feel like anything?
Like nothing. It's just like a sock.
Just like feels like on the outside like a fabric that's barely damp. I don't know if you guys can tell. I think it's a lot more wet in the inside, because it looks, you can see it's sticking to his skin. So he's gonna sleep overnight with that, and we're gonna check it in the morning to see what they look like. Is there a big difference or not?
Good night.
Okay, so it's 4:30 in the morning. We're gonna go ahead and take them off. It looks like Eric might have ripped off the tab where they automatically came off. Oh, wow, that looks awesome. Let's try the other one. Wow, how does it feel?
Feels good.
Like, touch it. You can touch it.
Feels smooth.
Are they slippery?
And refreshing.
But is it slippery or slimy?
No, not at all.
Yeah, are you gonna work the lotion into your feet?
Yeah.
Okay, so Eric is leaving for work. It's about 4:30 in the morning. How do your feet feel?
They feel really good. I mean, really good, like refreshed.
Were they soaking wet?
They were damp. There wasn't like an extreme amount of liquids, but yeah, it was, you know, I kind of rub that liquid, whatever left over, onto my feet, and it's fine. Then I put my socks on, but it feels nice and smooth, really good.
So you love the product?
I liked it. Yeah,
okay,
like it very much.
So Eric worked, I don't know, 10 hours today, and you could see the dryness came back.
But not as much.
But not as much?
Yes.
Okay.
So I just took it off. I wore them for like 25 minutes. And look at what my feet look like. You see them? So what it feels like when you take it off, it just feels like a, you can see like the dry skin looks a lot better and my heels look a lot better. But it feels like a super rich, deep, thick lotion that goes all on them. So I'm doing it on Eric's feet once again, as you guys can see. This is going to be his second time doing it. And so I'm going to see what his feet look like after as well. But mine look super good. They feel great. So what it feels like when it's on, it just kind of feels like your feet are kind of suffocating a little bit inside of it. I guess almost like when you've been in the water for too long and you get, your feet get like raisined. Kind of like that. So it kind of feels like your feet are suffocating in lotion, and maybe that's why this works better, because the lotion really penetrates and makes that skin softer because it doesn't have oxygen. But I really want to see what Eric's feet look like. You guys saw what they look like the first time, but this is going to be the second treatment for them. Okay, so Eric's had them on for I think like 20 minutes now. Let's go ahead and just remove them. So his skin is actually still dry here. And the bottom of the heel. This looks better, but this is very, very dry. So obviously, if you have like extremely, extremely dry skin like Eric does, you will have to sleep overnight for that skin to soften, and put a moisturizer on the feet as well the following days for that skin to stay hydrated, because for having it on 20 minutes on really rough, dry feet, it really didn't do much. On mine, they feel great, but I don't have as severe dry heels and cracks like Eric does. But overall, I actually like this product. I just think it would be better for you to sleep with it on. But hopefully you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.